for the left armour. Oh, it's a swing and a miss. It's a swing and a miss. Oh, you're thinking, what's happened? Oh, can't find the gap. Piece of fielding, Bubba's swing and a miss from Kelly. Looking to get after it here. Short, it'll be wide down the left side. It's gone fine, we're right away for four. Another boundary from Nick Kelly. Oh, that's short and left alone. And hard work from Mohamed Rizwan, who past the outside edge. But number 7 in the order. They got a little bit of room back on the inside. Pass Mohamed Rizwan, who got it.
Bam! There it is. Fresh back. It does go away from the just from a mindset. He wants to hook. But he's not really. Oh no. Why didn't he shelve it? It had 3 goes.